In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up email sequences in Salesflare, one of the most user-friendly CRM tools out there. Whether you're new to Salesflare or looking to optimize your email outreach, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. Salesflare allows you to automate your email follow-ups and nurture leads seamlessly. And today, I'm going to show you how to do just that using their email sequences feature. Before diving into the setup, I want to let you know that you can actually try Salesflare for free using the exclusive link below. That's right, you'll get extended access to all of its features without any commitments. Now let's get started. To begin setting up email sequences in Salesflare, you'll first need to navigate to the Sequences section in the platform. You can find this in the main menu under the Automation tab. Once there, click Create Sequence to get started. The next step is simple. Choose the type of sequence you want to set up. Salesflare offers options like nurturing emails, follow-ups, or even onboarding sequences. You can customize your sequences to suit whatever stage of the sales funnel your contacts are in. This is crucial because you'll want to target your emails based on where your leads are in the process. Once you've selected your sequence type, it's time to start adding emails. Salesflare allows you to create highly personalized and professional-looking email templates that can be automatically inserted into your sequence. Each email in your sequence can be set to trigger after a specific delay, say 2 days after the previous email is sent. The magic behind Salesflare's email sequences is the automation. You don't have to manually track each lead or worry about follow-ups slipping through the cracks. Salesflare takes care of everything, from personalizing the emails with dynamic fields like names and company details to scheduling them for optimal send times. One thing I love about Salesflare's email sequence builder is its ease of use. Unlike other platforms where you need to spend a lot of time setting up triggers or designing email templates, Salesflare makes the process incredibly intuitive. You can simply drag and drop email steps and set up the triggers to ensure your leads get the right message at the right time. But here's a pro tip. Don't forget to review the performance of your email sequences. Salesflare offers built-in analytics, so you can track open rates, response rates, and much more. This allows you to continuously improve your sequences, ensuring that you're always hitting your targets and driving results. Another cool feature you'll want to check out is Salesflare's smart scheduling. You can set the times you want your emails to go out, ensuring that they land in your recipients' inboxes at the most effective times based on their time zones. This is especially important when dealing with international leads. As we wrap up, keep in mind that email sequences are a game changer in streamlining your sales process. Salesflare's automation makes it so easy to stay on top of your follow-ups, and with the powerful analytics tools, you'll always know how your sequences are performing. Finally, remember, you can try Salesflare completely free through the link below. Don't miss out on this exclusive extended trial, giving you access to all of the tools that can help your business grow. So there you have it. Setting up email sequences in Salesflare is simple, efficient, and powerful. Make sure to take advantage of that free trial, and you'll be on your way to mastering sales automation.